almost basically done. We're gonna put a spout. We'll put a shower with a hose and a shower handle. Pretty much, the boys are right now working. This is how you would lay the heated floor. And this is the final touch. And here's a shower for the kids. We're gonna give you a bit of a tip because what happens is if when you're putting in a 12 by 24 tiles, we always recommend that you use a large format mortar, LFT, and we use the white one, preferably because we're using a white tile. The third bathroom, similar tiles. Here's the shower tiles for the kids' bathroom. So we're remodeling 3 bathrooms in this house.